Hello everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Virlin, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Capricorns for November 2018. Now if you guys are interested, I am doing your yearly readings 2019 this week. I will be publishing them very soon if you want to subscribe to keep updated on when I am publishing. Okay, before I start reading, I always like to go over what's going on with the planets, the moon, full moon, or eclipse, what's going on, retrogrades, because I feel that does most of the time show out through the cards, as well as if it doesn't, it just gives you a heads up, okay? Because those changes don't just affect you, they affect everybody. Alright, so on the 7th, we have a new moon in Scorpio, okay? So you might see a more nurturing side to you, as well as an intuitive side. There might be some research towards paranormal studies that you're interested in. Okay, so that new moon is on the 7th. On the 8th, we have Jupiter is entering Sagittarius, okay, where it will be there until December 3rd, 2019. So get used to that energy, okay? Jupiter is the planet of luck, protection, abundance, education, and Sagittarius, the truth seekers of the zodiac sign. So that energy is just going to sit really well with you, I feel. On the 15th, you have Mars, your masculine planet, entering Pisces, your nurturing, healing sign. So your masculine sign might be more, I don't want to say feminine, but very nurturing, very caring. Your sex life might be flooded with emotions. For some of you guys who are dating a few people, you might see yourself or them really question, you know, the label of the relationship or where it's going, okay? Try not to get into any feuds during this time, if I had any advice. On the 16th is where it gets a little bit crazy. You have a retrograde, okay? Mercury is turning retrograde in Sagittarius, okay? So if you know any Sagittarius, they're going to have a little bit of a busy week, okay, with the energies and the emotions going on. Venus is going direct in Libra, so that's to the benefit. You're going to see your relationships clear up more, okay? Your business side clear up, your networking, maybe see a little bit more passions towards the art, okay? So hold tight for that day, okay? Everybody always gets scared of those retrogrades, and I say, let's just take it as you need to take a step back. Meditate more, rest, you know, get on your diet again. Retrogrades are time for healing, okay? Not just chaos. And sometimes it just shakes things up, so you know, hey, that doesn't work for me. I gotta let that go. This toxic person, gotta get him out of my life, gotta go, okay? Or, hey, how we're doing this, not working, all right? Let's change it. So once everything turns direct is really when I say you got the green light. Okay, so we're ending up the month on the 23rd with a full moon in Gemini. You might see a completion of your community projects. It could be, you know, the library, it could be school related, it could be politics related. Really a uniting of community. Geminis are really like the bloggers, you know, writing of the newspaper, getting people together, you know, bringing out that soapbox, okay? So that full moon energy will be in Gemini on the 23rd. Alright, so I said this was a card reading, yes? If you guys would like to book a private reading with me, go ahead and email me. I do over the phone, FaceTime, I do pre-recorded. People like that for their personalized yearly readings, because then they can go back throughout the year for more inspiration or see if things are lining up. Alright. Also, I have a Facebook. I'm not really tech savvy. I don't even have a smartphone. Yeah, so if you would like to follow me on Facebook, I got a nice little inspirational Facebook. It's kind of another place for me to get in contact with you guys, really. So go ahead and like that. All right, yeah, subscribe with YouTube, like on Facebook, right? I've only even really had this channel for a few months too. It's amazing to see where things grow online. You know, I am such a person-to-person person. But I'll tell you, the networking online, the community, I mean, I'm getting in touch with people, you know, all over the world from countries that I didn't even know about, and it's just amazing what the internet can do. I am one to shy away from it a majority of the time. I do turn off my router when I sleep at night. That way I can get into deeper REM sleep. You guys might want to do some research on how those Wi-Fi's running at night when you're trying to recover and heal can really affect you. Okay. All right. So the cards that just popped out here so far, we have the Moon and we have the Five of Wands. Okay. The Moon, that is telling you to get in touch with your intuition. Go with your gut. This could also be the new moon in Scorpio. Okay. This could be all of a sudden your need to get in touch with your spirit guides, your ancestors. Okay. That paranormal. What are you doing? Okay. Get in touch with it. Go with your gut, and if it's for the good of you and the good of karma for everything, because what you put out you get in, guys, do it. Okay, go with your gut. You have the Five of Wands, which I'm sensing, that's that community. You could be perhaps making a small coven with you and your friends. You could be uniting your family. This also to me is resembling conflicts between you and your family. You know, you could see that they are having a little bit of a struggle here. You know, they could be building something. They could be playing a game. You know, nobody's bleeding. Nobody's bopping each other over the head, but it certainly doesn't look neat. So whatever it is definitely needs more organization. All right. Okay. For some of you who are single, is there a Cancer jumping up in your life? Is there a Pisces jumping up in your life? I just need to throw that out there. Maybe it's your friend. Maybe you need to bounce off your projects off of that Pisces or that Cancer. You know, I don't know. Sometimes I just say things, and you know, sometimes it sticks. Just throw it to the wall, see what sticks. All right. So one more card. One more card for my Capricorns. Your element is Earth. Did I not say that some of you are sleeping and not meditating and not eating right? You have the Nine of Swords. So you might be feeling some guilt towards something. Anxiety. Hurt. Somebody could have passed away. And you can tell by this card that you're feeling the pain. Perhaps this is somebody else in your life that is suffering. Perhaps somebody in your life was diagnosed with cancer, or perhaps suffering from a drug addiction. Okay? Comment below, you know, if you guys need some help and some guidance, okay? I am quick to respond, as well as the community here on Spiritual Findings. It's very lovely. The energy is great. And it's just nice to connect with other people, okay? We're here to help, all right? All right. Oh, let's see here. I am going to pull one from the angels. All right, what is there for my Capricorns? What is there for my Capricorns? Is there a direction, some advice, some inspiration that they may need for the month of November 2018? My Capricorns, my Earth element. Ruler is Saturn, which Saturn has been in your sign, guys. So if you feel yourself getting powerful, or if you have just changed, it's because you have, okay? And it's powerful. Embrace that, okay? All right, one card for my Capricorns. Any advice? Okay, direction, some inspiration that they may need for the month of November 2018. As I'm shuffling, I feel as a lot of you have a very strong need to get your own deck and start reading. Just throw that out there. 10 of Water, okay. There is a content and a rewarding family life. Your emotional and material needs are met. Trustworthy relationships. The 10 of Water. 10 of Water. So this is very emotionally based, okay, which is great, okay. 10 of Water to me is one of the greatest cards you can get in a deck. It resembles a happy family, a utopia, okay? Coming together with that community and really doing something for the better of the world. Okay, so whatever it is that you are trying to do, Capricorn, the 10 of Water is just there to reassure you that you're gonna get it. Just put your manifesting abilities there. All right, that's nice. All right, now one card from the fairies for my Capricorns. Okay, fairies represent Earth. Capricorns are my fellow Earth sisters and brothers. I am a Virgo. Okay, so I am an Earth element too. You guys need to get out there, take your shoes off, get in touch with Mother Nature, ground yourself, go on that hike. I always say that, go on that hike, because you know what? It's a form of meditation to just really go out there. Put that phone away. You don't need to be taking pictures of everything you see. Go out, okay? If you can, take off your shoes. Breathe in that air. Feel that sun on your skin, okay? Calm your mind while you're out there. And when you return, you will feel so energized. I promise you. I guarantee you. Some of you guys comment below on your experiences of that happening. Why do you think when some of you guys, you go to the beach and you just feel great at the beach because you're recharging and you're listening to the ocean and you're forced to breathe in the fresh air? You know, same with camping. It's amazing. Some of the greatest feelings I've ever had is hiking to the top of the mountain and looking over and seeing the other mountains and the trees and the leaves and the landscape and the sky. And it's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Roll with it. Emotional healing. As your heart heals of old emotional pain, you receive new blessings and love. This is one of my favorite cards. I'll zoom in here for you. You can see that there is something over every chakra. You guys have to align your chakras. You have to become emotionally balanced. Okay, you have to heal yourself. And when you heal yourself, you're the best form of yourself. And you're able to give to your family. You're able to perform your work at a level that you didn't even know that you could. Didn't even know that you would want to, okay? Once you balance yourself, it's... I don't want to say... I'll say it. It's true happiness. It really is. Okay, and it's work to keep yourself there. So heal yourself. Maybe you want to reach out to you know, a local Reiki healer for some healing. Contact me for some gemstones. I can personalize a gemstone for you for every chakra. That way you can just cleanse your stones, cleanse your chakra, and just be able to use that as a tool. Okay. All right, guys. I think that pretty much sums it up for November 2018. Now, if you guys, like I said, if you want that private reading, go ahead and email me, okay? FaceTime, over the phone, email. If you would like to know more about the tarot reading classes, contact me as well. All right, comment below if you just feel like it. Subscribe only if you want to, okay? I don't like forcing. I don't like saying the whole like and subscribe and all that stuff. You know, do what you want, because you guys are going to do it anyway. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Verilyn, and you guys have a beautiful November.